Basic dinner prep, like filling pots and pans with water, means there's big potential for the interior walls of your sink to get scratched. There's a lot of times that a sharp surface or an extremely hard material can come into contact with your sink.
So we're going up against all things that can scratch your sink: knives, meat claws, and pots and pans.
One pro tip, a lot of people think that pots and pans scratch your sink, but that's not actually true. Those black marks you see in your sink are actually the surface of your dishes coming off onto the interior of your sink. With the Sinkology sink, the Care IQ Kit will get those right out. Here, I've got a couple scratches, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna come right out. As you can see, the Josephine Quick Fit drop-in held up really well to the scratch test.